This is a part 2 because the other video just cut out. Anyhow, there's old Ford V8. We have some very nice cars here. Old Ford. Most of these, some of these are rat rod Fords. Ready for the drag race here. 62, 63 Ford Falcon right here. Oh my God. Oh my God, these are just beautiful. Oh wow, that's just, look at, wow. Oh, an old DeSoto, that's nice. I don't see one of those every day. Oh wow. Like how some of these are restored, but they look old. They're meant to look old, and it's really just cool. Because you don't see these cars every day like this. You see them completely restored like the Chevy over there. It looks like is that a 1659 Chevy Impala over there? I gotta check that out really quick. There's thousands of cars over there in there too. More than there are here. This is a pedestrian entrance. Oh wow. There's an old Ford. Oh, there's the 62 to 64 Chevy Impala. We got, what else we got? Looks like all the Chevys are mainly over here. That's a, oh, 1960 Chevy Impala. Nice. You can tell. There's the Chevy Bel Air. So Ford 62 to 64 Chevy Impala, one with the big rims here. You can tell by the front. The front is totally different for each year, and so the backs too. This is just so beautiful, guys. My cousin AJ, he would probably wish he was here because he's in love with cars. He loves cars, old cars too, new cars too. Oh wow, I'm in heaven right now, guys. Tickets, gotta get tickets into this joint, into this car. This place, I think it's called the Trog or the Race of Gentlemen's or something like that. Wow. Gotta put the phone down for a second because I gotta get the tickets. I gotta get my money ready. It's alright. It's alright. Don't worry about it.
Welcome to Trog.
Right. Oh, go ahead. You got it first. Yeah, how much? $20. $20? 20 is in the middle here. Where is it? Here you go. Just got my wristband here. I think it's the weekend, for the whole weekend. Today's Sunday though, I guess it was the whole weekend, like Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. And Sunday. Oh, cool, they have buses. They have a bus over here, a giant. Oh my God. Oh, that's really cool. They have Sailor Jerry Spiced Rum Ford van. Oh, there's Chevy right here. Oh my God, these cars are just so beautiful. I'm in heaven right now. This is some drag racing here over there. A giant wall for the track. Giant, wow. Oh my God, they even have old motorcycles. Harley Davidsons. Oh my God, that's beautiful. Look at that, they got an old Ford. Harley Davidson Ford over there. That's beautiful right there. Oh my God.
Little short run here at the line, 895, Mike.
Oh my. Wow. V8, Ford V8. This is old school stuff here. Stuff most kids don't even know about, wouldn't even dream about ever seeing. Welcome, race of gentlemen.
Another one of those California guys.
Oh, no way, motorcycle races. They have car races and motorcycle races here. It's sort of hard to hear because of the guys on the screen, the loudspeaker over there. Oh wow, that's cool.
Bill Geller in the far lane going up against the 11-11 Liker, Ed Scheller. Ed and Vicky Scheller had a couple of awesome shoppers right around town all weekend. Bill Geller makes friends wherever he goes. Ed says, see you later, friend. Ed
Oh
Scheller
wow.
taking the win on that one.
Oh, yeah.
Sean Mazer from Neptune, New Jersey. Going against Evan McDermott from the Sandville job.
Wow, this is just so beautiful.
Sweet, man, isn't it?
Yeah. I've never been to one of these beach races. This is just crazy. Now, this is really how NASCAR should have started. This is really what it was all about back then in the 20s and 30s and even 40s.
A little pot of soup for yours truly.
Got a bracket race coming up right here, Corey. I-25 B car looking to get the best out of that 9 car.
Number 9 is Stephen Bartlett out of Laurel Township, New
Yeah.
Jersey.
Oh,
Looks
nice.
like number 9, Stephen Bartlett, is going to take this win.
Another bracket race coming to line here, buddy. 38 cars in air lane versus Ron Cooper.
Couple of power favorites coming up right here.
Ron Cooper from Rancho de House, New Mexico. Number 314 car.
And number 38 is Mark Andrews. Car is up fast.
He won because he didn't have the little extra thing on the back like the other guy. That was really what it was about, the weight.
Taking the win for Vince Perry. Man from Germany in the far lane, number 39, Alex Schill. The close lane is Jason Sheets. Sheets Weldon.
Oh, that's cool. They were an old World War II Jeep.
Willys.
Yeah.
The real Willys, too. Ford made
Yeah.
some of them. That's a real Willys. Tell by the front axle, the front of the frame.
Yeah, because because they needed everybody making them
Yeah,
back
the
then.
Willys.
Ford,
Actually,
Chevy.
the original, I forget the name, out of Pennsylvania, got the ones that had it where the Willys started it. My great grandfather moved up from West Virginia to work at Willys.
Oh, that's cool. That's
My
really
grandpa
cool.
worked there. My dad worked there.
Wow.
That's go with.
They even have a guy with a drone flying the drone with the camera.
Rick Laws, Buster car. Harley Davidson car goes down, brings all those drivers back.
This was a trivia question from last year, but I'm just asking to see if you were paying attention. What year was Harley Davidson founded?
All
Oh.
You know, 1903.
No, I don't know what's going on.
Hey, folks, I want to remind you, in case you haven't already made your way over to the American Hot Rod Foundation display tent, you really need to check it out. These guys are a non-profit organization. They are only into saving the hot rod industry. The foundation works every day to save old photo collections of early hot rodding that might otherwise be lost forever. They've been going around to as many early hot rodders as they can, finding and setting up their cameras and filming these guys so we can hear their stories and we are able to tell them. These guys are the real deal. Again, they're a non-profit organization. Just do it out of the pure love of the sport. We want to make sure the next generations to come get to share the love and the passion of the cause and get involved in hot rod.
There's some drag racing there, guys. This is what really started NASCAR and how today's racing was, drag racing was founded.
Moped or a scooter?
That's true. Looks like a lot of fun, but you don't want your friends to get you doing it. Don't let it, Jeff.
There's some more cars over here. It's sort of very hard to hear, though.
The racer gentlemen. Get a car, tune it up, bring it out.
Oh, you need one of these? Oh, you do? Ah. We actually can't go in there right now, but you can sort of look through the fence. You can see there's still thousands of cars out there. I mean, not thousands, but maybe a couple hundred. Maybe a couple hundred more, but not thousands, though. I really like that one. That one's really beautiful. I bet you that's probably like a Ford, maybe. It's very hard to tell because they're all different designs. Each car manufacturer back then had their own unique designs, which how they made their cars. It's so beautiful.